Hola amigos, hi my friends. Vamos a cambiar este clip que se rompió. I'm going to change this little clip that broke. I ordered one from Amazon with Chinese product. So I have my multi-tip screwdriver and I'll get the right tip. There we are. That is a P2. And let's get it out. Look, it broke. I'm gonna make sure that the one that I bought is exactly the same size. It seems like it. And then the other piece, this little piece in here, is still in there, so we'll remove it now. Just give me a sec. Hey, say hi. Yeah, move. Okay, let's see. So we have the little plastic tab is in. That's that little plastic tab in here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna open this. So you see, this was there like this. You press this and press this, and that will release. There, you release the metal piece. Good. Okay. Let's go. Put it back. It goes like this. If you try to do it like this, it's not gonna fit. Okay, so it goes like this, half moon that way, and then the long screws in here. Of course, remember, it's plastic, so I have to do that. So, perfect. You see? So now, and let's see. Perfect. Fantastico. Like this. And the only thing we have for trash is this, instead of replacing an entire washing machine. And there's a little dirty one. Hey, c'est la vie. That's a viazzata.